Nelson Mandela, a beacon of hope. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving into the heart of South African culture by talking about one of its most iconic figures. He was not just a leader but a symbol of resistance, hope, and unity. Yes, we're talking about Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was born on July 18, 1918, in the small village of Mvezo in Umtata, part of the modern-day Eastern Cape Province. Raised in the Tembu royal family, Mandela's early life was steeped in local tradition and custom, as well as a thirst for learning. In his early years, Mandela was a young lawyer fighting against the oppressive apartheid system. Apartheid was a policy that segregated South Africans by race, and Mandela knew that it had to change. He became a key member of the African National Congress, ANC, which was at the forefront of the struggle against apartheid. In 1962, Mandela was arrested for conspiring against the government. His trial was widely covered, and he was sentenced to life imprisonment. For the next 27 years, he would be confined in the infamous Robben Island prison. But instead of breaking his spirit, these years only strengthened his resolve. In 1990, under mounting international pressure, the South African government released Mandela. He emerged not with vengeance in his heart, but with a message of reconciliation. Mandela's magnanimity and vision played a crucial role in transitioning the nation from a system of apartheid to one of majority rule. In 1994, Mandela was elected as South Africa's first black president, marking a turning point in the nation's history. Nelson Mandela's influence didn't stop at the borders of South Africa. His story of resilience, his fight for equality, and his message of forgiveness and reconciliation have inspired millions around the globe. Today, his legacy is celebrated every year on Mandela Day, where people are encouraged to spend 67 minutes, 1 minute for each year of Mandela's public service, making the world a better place. As we wrap up, let's remember that Nelson Mandela's life teaches us that change is possible, even against overwhelming odds. By learning about such influential figures, we're not just understanding a country's history, we're embracing the values and ideals that can make our world a better place. We hope this video has given you insight into the life and legacy of Nelson Mandela. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.